This is a McLaren MT412C. This car was specifically designed in an air tunnel. That's why every function of this car is aerodynamic. It's pop opens in less than 17 seconds. So you barely don't hear anything on the inside when you're driving, no matter what kind of speed. Functional air brake. Anything else you can think of is here.
I'm sitting in right now in a 2013 Pagani from Pagani of Scottsdale. It is an Italian-made, custom-made, one-off car, and we are now at McLaren, Scottsdale, and Pagani. What's special about this vehicle is that it is a custom-made car tailored to the customer. So when you take purchase of this vehicle, you actually fly to Italy. They custom tailor the seats, the interior. You pick every single trim of the vehicle, and they tailor it to specifically the customer themselves.